And so it was the men that got you into, like, you don't have to tell me, was it because somebody that you knew was struggling in this area, or was it just because
No,
that this it came across?
it just, again, because I was working with PRP, literally just using platelet-rich plasma to um, treat, hair loss.
Mhm.
And again, just learning more about it and what we can do with it. It's like, oh my gosh, we can actually, help men with ED. We can help women, who have low, desire or have a hard time orgasming. Um, and then, of course, I learned the other things, like with PRP, we can use it for aesthetics. So, for example, I'm sure you've heard about the vampire facial. Um, that was big. Kim Kardashian was the one that first did it, and everyone was talking about it.
Is it blood
It's
from?
it's literally it's her, your own blood. We draw, we spin it, we separate the red blood cells, and we have your plasma, which has your growth factors and some stem cells, and that's what for the vampire facial, for example, we use that for aesthetics,
Mhm.
topically. But then we can also take that plasma and inject it. Again, for hair restoration, we inject it into a man's penis. We can inject it into a woman's clitoris, into her vagina.
Mhm. I think this, I think that. Uh, so you said that you saw this and you wanted to start doing it. Was it because you were seeing a lot of that, like m- girls asking about men? Because I know, kind of like when you go get your hair done, you guys become like therapists,
Right.
and they tell you everything. And then, were you hearing a lot of these like type of issues?
Um, yes. Also, when I worked with a naturopath for a little while. I learned a lot from her. But when I was seeing patients and, just doing initial consultations, just wellness, one of the things I would ask my female patients was, okay, how is your libido? Do you have any concerns with regards to your libido? Do you have a hard time getting to an orgasm? And I couldn't believe what I was hearing. I mean, some women were telling me how they've never had an orgasm. They don't know what it feels like. They don't even know.
They think they had one.
They no, they 100% never had one.
Oh.
And I'm just looking at them like that's no way to live. I'm sorry. I mean, it's just it's not fun,
Yeah.
obviously, but it's also for your health and wellness not ideal. The whole point of when a woman has an orgasm is to release.